Here is how you can delete all iPhone photos at once. So let me guide you through the way it would work, but if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. Well, you can get inside your photos, right? And it kind of depends on how many you have. If you don't have that many of them, what you could do is to just click on select like this and just grab them like that so you can see more of them are getting selected, but just put your finger all the way at the top and just kind of wait until all of the images get selected, which, as I said, it might take a while. Like, I have almost 400 items, including photos and videos, and it took like, I don't know, 10 seconds to select all of them. So not the best way to do it, but you can now click on the delete and literally delete all of them. Even if you had thousands and you would have to do it in a couple of takes, that's like the only main way we can really do that. Like, of course, we can go to the settings and tap on the profile as well and go to iCloud. And if you have your photos synced from iCloud, you can disable iCloud syncing, and that way also delete them with the click of a button, but only those which are accessed from iCloud. So this may or may not be you. Like, you can see I don't even use it, so that wouldn't apply to me. And also, if you would want to delete your whole phone, or let's say that you don't have anything else on the phone, only the photos, you could also just wipe the phone clean, like part of the settings, general, and reset and transfer iPhone. You could erase all content and settings, and as I said, if there is nothing else to lose, just the photos, you can just wipe the phone clean entirely, which would delete all of the images. But that's how I would personally do it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm gonna wrap it up, and I'll see you in the next videos, only if you subscribe, so do that, and I'll talk to you then.